Welcome to this lecture. Trigonometric functions. The sine, cosine and tangent are very well known trigonometric functions. If you draw a rectangular triangle with sides A and B and hypotenusa C, then there is of course an angle phi for which we can define the sine of phi to be B divided by C, the cosine A divided by C, and the tangent of phi to be B divided by A. These angles, phi, are often given as angles in degrees or by radians. 30 degrees is the same as pi over 6 radians. Why? Because the whole circle going around is 360 degrees, and going it around is also equal to 2 pi radians. So 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. And then 90 degrees will be pi over 2, and so on. Walking around the circle gives us points with coordinates cosine of t, sine of t. This of course agrees with the famous formula that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. Any point on the unit circle is a distance 1 from the origin. Here you see the graph of the sine function. You can also think of the sine to be the projection of the point on the circle. So if you have an angle x, you take the point on the circle and project it on the y-axis, and the distance over here is exactly the one that you want.